Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of Baseus Comfortride series car lumbar pillow. So this is a lumbar support pillow for your car that is made with a cluster black, I guess, material. This is all Chinese to me. Anyway, so this is an ideal product for your sitting position for your car, so that your back is supported with an ergonomic design. This is the proper way to sit. And this is a skin-friendly and breathable material that is ideal for anyone with, I guess, a memory foam material that is adjusting to your back and protecting it. So let's open the box and check closely the product itself. We have a really nice carrying handle here. So let us remove some of these seals here. Okay, it seems that it has a really easy to handle ending or tip, so that you can peel it easily. I've never seen that before. Let's open it up and check this ergonomic pillow for your lumbar support. Now, I've seen this in many gaming chairs that are copying some sport car seats, so it was a logical outcome to have a product like this for anyone needed some support for his back when he's spending a lot of time driving, and who knows, even for your gaming seat that is lacking a proper lumbar support. So here we have it. There is nothing else in the box. It is empty. Let's unwrap this product and check it closely. Now, this seems to be really nice, even for the foam it has. It's a really soft touch pillow. Now, I guess if you have a specific back problem, you should just consider visiting a proper doctor, and a proper lumbar support should be prescribed. But for anyone else, I guess this is just fine. So okay, we have some kind of stickers here. Every time we have a Baseus product, we have these stickers. It's like a staple or something. So here we have it. Now, I really like the smooth material used. Okay, here we have a rubberized Baseus logo in a really standing out orange color. Other than that, this is really nice. I really like the flexibility of it. So this is really comfortable for your back, and the fabric used is really nice. That's 2 thumbs up for me. This is the one. I mean, for the price and the quality, I cannot find anything better. Now, I just have to check the foam inside. Here we have a zipper. That's not a foam, actually. This is something like a orthopedic material used. I'm not mad with that, so we can open it and wash it up. Here are all the washing info and treatment of the material when it's dirty. Now, that's nice. So overall, I'm really impressed with this product. Now, I would really like to see if Baseus made anything like this for a neck support, or if it has a line with gaming chairs. That will be interesting to check. Now, overall, this product is one of the best I've checked so far for its asking price. I really like it. And this was the unboxing. Subscribe, leave us a like, comment below if you like this product from Baseus, and from M.A.D, thank you for watching.